Hello everybody, getting ready to do lesson 1.6, the Geometry 1 Math, Part 1. Part 2, Part 3, email me for those. 1.6, angles and their measures. Staple your classwork. If you got extra work that's the class worksheet doesn't allow, then get another piece of paper and staple it. If you're taking this online, make sure that you include the photo of that when you send in your class worksheet over the internet. And our notebook, we got 2 points here. Our classwork is 28 points. Teachers, today for our bell work. Here is your bell work. Homeschoolers, this is your warm-up. Give you about 5 minutes to do this. Okay, welcome back. And here's your solution here for number 1 would be 14, and then here's your solution for number 2 would be 3. You have to take it order of operations here, and then you get 3. Both of them are order of operations. Okay, an angle consists of 2 rays. This classwork's page 1. That have the same endpoint. The rays are the sides of the angle. The endpoint is the vertex angle. In the photograph at the right, the sides of angle BAC is point A. This would be your vertex here. You can also write angle BAC as CAB. You can go back this other way as well. As long as your vertex is in the middle here, you're fine. Okay, notice that the middle letter in the name of the angle is always the vertex of an angle. And you can write simply angle A if there are no other angles that have this vertex. You could just write angle A. But you might say, well, what about that one, or what about that one, whatever. Okay, so example 1 here. Name the angles in the figure. So how many angles are there in the figure? There are 3 different angles. Can you see them? PQS or SQP would be 1. That's 1 there, PQS. And then we have SQR, RQS. That'd be those there. And then what else? Is there more? PQR or RQP. So you should not name any of these angles as angle Q because all 3 angles have Q as their vertex. So PQR obviously would be PQR. The name angle Q would not distinguish one angle from the others. You could confuse that. So there is PQR. Okay, our first guy practice, name the angles in the figure. Students, this is yours. Name the angles in this figure here. And I'll go into our guided practice, name the angles in the figure. Here's our figure. So here are our angles, HMK, KMN, or HMN. So we got 3 angles here. Students, this is your guided practice. Make sure you enter this on your classwork sheet to get credit for it. There's 1, there's 2, and then there's the 3rd one. The measure of an angle. Okay, you have to go look at the video to see that, or get the PowerPoint. PowerPoints are available too at the email. Use a protractor to approximate the measure of angle BAC. So angle BAC, get out your protractor. Use a protractor, and when you put a protractor on it, this is what it should look like here. Where does it cross here at? There's your vertex. Align the protractor with one side of the angle. The second side of the angle crosses the protractor at 50 degrees. So BAC here, BAC, you got a 50 here. So it'll be 50 degrees for that angle. There is your 50. And that's part 1 of 1.5, 1.6, I'm sorry, 1.6. Part 2, part 3 available here. Thank you.